Mush here. So for our clay project today, we are going to be making a mini beach scene with a sandcastle, a bucket, and a shovel. So let's get to it. So the first thing I did was I made a little pancake out of my yellow. That's going to be my sand. Okay, if you think the yellow is too bright, I would mix some colors, maybe add a little bit of yellow with orange, or maybe yellow and brown a little bit with a little bit of white. But I'm going with yellow because that's good enough for me. All right, next, I'm going to take some more yellow. I'm going to roll kind of like a cylinder like this. And then to make it the castle, I'm going to pinch down like a little bit like this, like I'm making a pinch pot. And then I'm going to pinch the tops like this, okay? And I'm going to pinch it around. It should kind of look like Bart Simpson's head, okay? That's how you know you're doing it right, okay? So I'm pinching around just like that. And there you go. And to make it nice and round, I'm going to roll it around to get that nice, to make it look nice and round so it doesn't look like all like out of shape. Okay? So there's my castle. I'm going to stick it on the sand right here. Okay? And I'm going to do that 2 more times with little ones like this. Same process, little pinches, okay, just like this. So it's like little Bart Simpsons, okay. I love The Simpsons, that's my favorite show, okay. So we'll put that there, and then just like we did before, okay, I'm gonna put it right next to here. And you know what? I'm not going to do a second one because we need space for our bucket. So I'm going to make a bucket out of blue, okay? And I'm going to roll it, and I'm going to do like a pinch pot. So you stick your finger inside, and you pinch around like this. And just like we did with the castle, we kind of want to roll it like this and make that bucket shape. Let's squish the bottom. Okay, like that. And then we get our bucket shape like this. And we can flatten the top too to give it a rim. And there you go. There's your bucket. And then I'm going to give it a little bit of a handle. I'm going to roll a coil like this. Just like this. And then I'm going to stick it on the sides like this. So there's my bucket. I'm gonna put it right there next to it. And then I'm gonna take another coil and I'm gonna squish like this. I'm gonna squish the one end, okay, like this. We kind of want it to look like square, and we want to push in a little bit, okay, just like that. And then we want to squish the top just a little bit like this. And there you go. There is our bucket. You know what? I'm gonna put the shovel in the bucket. How about that? Nah, we'll put it right there. Okay? And then the last thing, I'm gonna take some clay, some light blue clay for the ocean, and I'm gonna smush it into like a blobby shape because the ocean really doesn't have a shape like this. Okay? And you can tuck the extra underneath like this, and then you can just take a coil, take some white, and just take a coil like this, and then like you can like make it wavy like that for the foam of the ocean. And there you go, our sandcastle with our, I am gonna put it in the bucket, okay? So there's our sandcastle. I'm just gonna put it on the water. I don't know where I wanna put it, okay? I think that looks good. So there you go. So I got my sandcastle with my bucket, with my shovel, and my ocean, all right? So with that being said, I would love to see your sandcastle bucket and see what colors you use. So please go to MrMushMakes.com, upload an image, and we would love to see what you created. And please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. It really means a lot to us. All right, with that being said, I'll see you next time. Peace.